In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the muffler on a Troy-Bilt TB130 lawnmower. We'll get started by removing the starter assembly from the top of the engine. Next, we'll remove the fuel tank. Before you remove the tank, you'll need to drain any gas that might still be in it. I've already done that, so now I'll disconnect the fuel line from the shutoff valve. With the gas tank out of the way, now we can remove the muffler cover. With the muffler cover removed, next we can remove the muffler. It's held in place with a couple of bolts. Now we can install our new muffler. Place the muffler on the engine and re-secure it with the bolts. Now replace the muffler cover. Now we can go ahead and replace the gas tank. And I'll re-secure the fuel line to the fuel shutoff valve. And we'll finish up by reattaching the starter.